everybody, I just took a bath and I need to blow dry my hair. I got this one. This is the Revlon.
It's a C and a T.
And this is the box.
Okay, going this way. Well,
I bought this one based on all the positive review, and it does really takes short time to really blow dry all my hair. So I'm gonna do that. I really have a really long hair and quite thick hair. Also, if you want your wavy hair to relax or like straighten up just a bit, you have to blow dry your hair will really help it relax. So that's it. My hair is dry right now. But I want it to be really so relaxed, so I'm gonna be blow drying it a little more. So I like it like this. It is relaxed. It's not super wavy. As you saw, my hair is really wavy. So it took just like under 2 minutes to blow dry on my hair. And I really like that hair blow dryer.
See, I win a hot air balloon.
No.
Is that a hot air balloon with a tub in it?
No.
What is it? It's your tree house. And it's a disco party where it's bubbly.
So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have questions you can write below and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.
More money. You want to play it?